Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount dual monitors on one stand. And this is the Dell monitor and this is the Asus monitor. If you want to see how I remove the stand on these two monitors, I'll leave a link in the description below. And let's get started. This is pretty simple, straightforward video, by the way. So here we go. Alright, so I already clamped my stand tight. Now, if you don't think your table can handle the weight, put another piece of metal here or a thicker wood, so you have more surface to hold the clamp. This one right now, this part is holding the clamp. Just this part of the wood, and this is particle wood. This particle wood is not that strong really, so that's tight already. And here's the arm, and I tape the clamp, my Allen wrench to my stand so I don't lose it, just in case I need some adjustment. You should do the same thing too. Anyway, my type, this is the type I have. What you do is I'll demonstrate when I put this on. There's a U shape here, so you slide the screw here. You only attach two screws here first on the top of your monitor, then you slide it in. I'll show it to you. For this type of lamp anyway, each clamp has, each monitor stand has different type of the way of doing it. So this one is this type. So I got this from Amazon, and I'll show it to you. So for the Asus monitor, I got some screw that came with the monitor, the stand. So I'm just gonna use that. And for the Dell, I'm using the screw that came with the Dell itself. I'm only putting two screws right there, and for the Asus too, I'm only putting two screws for now. But don't tighten all the way, just make sure it's in there. Amateur. I'm doing this with one hand. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in the power and the HDMI cable before I attach this to the stands, so I can see better. You can do it your other way too if you want. Take the other screws with you too, for the bottom part. So what I usually do, always do, is attach the power first. And the HDMI cable. Now I touch it, see? Now, see the little U shape over here? You slide the screws in between. There, see, now it's holding it. You put the screws here. The bottom screws now, you put the bottom screws. Tighten the bottom. Amateurs! I feel like an amateur here. Now tighten the top ones. That's it, you're done. Alright, so this one has a DVI, attached DVI and power. And see the two screws here, still nothing in the bottom. So So I can slide it in there to the hook part. Speaker. Now it's set there. Now put the 2 screws in the bottom, like the other one. Tighten all the screws now. And we're done. Okay, it's done. Now all you need to do is adjust to whatever angle you want. It's up to you. Alright, that's it. That's how you attach a dual monitor. In this particular one, I was using a Dell monitor and an Asus monitor. Alright, like I said, if you want to see how I remove the stand, just click on the link in the description below. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.